Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to the Inside the Lane podcast. It's me, Coach Ronald, your host for today's introduction of the podcasting of South Rapids. So, me, with me is Coach Micah. Can you introduce yourself, Coach Micah? Tell
Yeah.
something about yourself.
Yeah, so I am Coach Micah, Program Director and Head Coach of South Rapids Swim Team. And welcome to our podcast, Inside the Lane.
Okay, so my first question to Coach Micah is why inside the lane? Why did you come up to the title of the podcast, Inside the Lane?
Yeah, so it's Inside the Lane because it's everything in between swimming, what's happening in the swimming community here in the Philippines, also global, and any topics related to swimming in general, we're going to discuss it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it's more on pure. It's actually very exciting that we are talking to Coach Micah, who is really a swim geek. We're working with him in the team.
Mhm.
I can say he has a lot of intelligence when it comes to aquatics. Okay, Coach Micah, to my second question, why did we started? Bakit kailangan natin mag-start ng podcasting? Why did we need to start podcasting?
Yeah, so we have that mutual agreement naman, no? And the coaching staff together with them to start podcasting so we could educate the swimming community, the coaches, the swimmers, to have that fact check and what can be done, what should it be done in terms of swimming rules. There's so much more to talk about. So ayun, magbibuild tayo ng credibility, integrity when it comes to the program that we're making, the program that also I'm creating, and ayun, showing them na this would be like not just for their pastime just to hear out, but they could take something about it.
Okay, my last question is, what are your future expectation when it comes to podcasting?
Yeah,
And also your responses.
yeah. So my future expectations that we're going to have, good responses in terms of the community. We're going to learn, not just educate them. We're also going to learn something new about them, their responses. They can put comments, anything related to the topics that we're going to discuss and go through about it. So, ayun, looking forward ako na marami tayong madi-discuss related to swimming and makapag-share tayo ng anything related, general topics about swimming, lalo na yung mga rules. Kaya maganda yung mga rules, regulations, kasi here in the Philippines, we just know na we're just going to swim,
Yeah.
but we don't know how to swim the sport. What are the rules and regulation? What is the word aquatic rules when it comes to specific specifications of the strokes and how they are judging it. So ayun, malaking bagay yun that we're going to be educated tayo rin, diba? Habang we're reading it through, masashare din natin yan dun sa listeners and viewers natin. So ayun yung isang mga malaking bagay na masashare natin sa kanila, and expect nila ako na feedback na they could collaborate, they could also share the same thoughts that is in line with our philosophy, number one. Number two, yung program natin sa yung goals natin sa program. And then number three, yung results na gusto natin ma-take input doon sa ginagawa natin. So I think that's what I'm expecting as a response to the viewers, to the listeners, and to us coaches and the coaching staff.
Yeah, that will be a very exciting, especially to the coming episodes of the Inside the Lane. So any additional quotes? What will be our it will be actually a very exciting, especially when we dive through the the technicalities of the swimming,
Mhm.
the rules, and how you also the culture and how you're going to love the sports.
Yeah.
Okay, so any question? Let's excite them for our next episode.
Yeah.
Inside the lane.
See you on our next episodes. More technicalities, more discussion. So just stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Ronald. Yeah.
Thank you for seeing us here in the Inside the Lane podcast. See you on the next episode.